Well, before we get started, I'm going to switch off the main for the AC. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Now this video will show you how to service this indoor unit. To start off with, I would actually open up. You push it open, there's one screw here, and this is the condition of the filter that you should have washed it once every 6 months or so. A good practice to actually maintain the lifespan of your indoor unit. So that's the reason why I'll personally recommend that you actually wash the filter once every 6 months. If you have been using it 8 hours per day, after 6 months later, I think it's really dusty. This is how it looks like. Okay, so I'm going to open up the cover, but before that, I will remove the filter, pull it out. It's very easy. You just push it up, and then you pull it out, right? And then you may put it aside. And then what happens is you use a Phillips screwdriver. You open up one of the screw inside. Remember, I've opened up this cap. There's one screw in here, and then there's another one more down here that has a clip. You just need to push it out, and then it'll come off, right? There are 2 clips. You need to open it slightly. Then this way, open up the flap. It depends, okay? This happened to this model to have this flap over it. Another model will open it upwards. Identical, so it's alright to mix them. I mean, the left and right, they are the same. Another one over here. It'd be nice you use a longer Phillips screwdriver. I mean, at least 8 inch. This is slightly short, but it's alright. It does the work, quite alright. Good to have a ladder where the ladder will have almost the same height with the AC indoor. It's so much easier for you to do work. Right, here I go, second one. Put it aside. Put it aside. There's a clip up here. I mean, can't see it. You need to actually pull it out. Pull it out, and then, yeah, it comes off. The next step would be to wash the coil here using chemical. Alright, I've placed the cover here, where this part of it is where you have all the electronics placed. So I will face upward, and then the rest will face downward, stop the dust from the surface. And then from here, remember, you try not to, this is where the electronics located, so you do not want any water. So make sure it's dry before you really install it. Probably I'll come back half an hour later. Let's perform the next task, is to perform the chemical test and the chemical wash. The bracket we place around it. Connect it to here. Bucket down there. Formation of jelly. Gel. Right. Try to scoop it out. You can see it's actually jelly formation. So it's good to have this tray. How it looks like. There is, you go through this hole, single hole, and then there's a bucket down there. I was able to perform the chemical wash. So this is the one with the chemical, where it's filled up to 150 ml, 5 parts of water, 1 part of chemical, 5 parts of water. So I will fill up to 1 to 25, roughly here, water, then I'll add chemical up to 1.5 liter. Right? So pump roughly 20 times. So wait for a few minutes. And is to make sure this room is well ventilated because it's acid. Always point inwards, you don't point to yourself, it's dangerous.
To 3 bottles of water so that the acidic chemical will not stick onto the coil and it will cause some corrosion.
We have to when actually remove the tray and wipe clean the fin down there using a toothbrush. Just now you see me, I'm just wipe for it. It's actually quite clean now. Then what happened next is I'm going to test the wind speed. Okay, oh, turn on the main, then it's a remote at 26 degrees C, auto, turn it on. And it's in miles per hour. Well, it's in what, 11? Final step would be to close the cover here. Right? So there are actually 3 clips here. 1, 2, 3. This tiny clip. 1, 2, 3. Up there. So right? You got to make sure the clip is right. It's secure now. Got to make sure it clips properly before you tighten the screw. Here, 1, 2, followed by 2 cap, the screw cap, 1. Just push it in, 1, and push it in. I mean, this is how it looks like. Push it in. If you fit only one side, it won't go strong. Followed by the 2 filter. When there's some wording, face front. Push it in. Some routine that you should do at least what, once every 6 months. Push it in gently. If you're first time watching a video, kindly subscribe to our channel and appreciate your thumbs up. See you next time. Bye.